Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Okay, so actually I'm gonna need to turn on some lights here. How's that? Okay, that's better. Excellent. All right, guys. So I am a sucker. You know, on the TikTok shop, I went ahead and saw this as this is the cold juice press machine in the box. I just opened it up. I didn't pull anything out. I got a juice recipes and I got the instruction manual. So let's open it up together and we'll see how it goes. So this is the Susteas cold press juice machine. Okay. So let's see what we got. I got looks like a toothbrush. I got a toothbrush right there. What else do I have here? Card, plastic, something or another. Looks like I have the actual press, the one that pushes everything through. I have the base. This is kind of cool. I've been excited to get this. This machine looks awesome. I'm excited about it. I hope that it works great. I love fresh squeezed juice. And if this does it where I don't have to peel the fruit, even better. I'm really hoping that that is the case. That was one of the attractions that I had about it, was I didn't have to peel the fruit. So if that is the truth, then this thing will be getting a lot of use. So let's see here. Whoops. Opus is at my feet thinking that he's going to get something to eat right now. Ra's up on the bed taking a nap. Alright. Oh, Ra's getting up out of the bed, off the floor. Alright, so here's what the machine looks like right here. Here is the top of the machine right here. This looks like the, you put the fruit through it and you push it through with this right there. Okay, so here is some more things right here. Oh, looks like I got a measuring cup right here. Looks like I've got an actual juice holder. Oh, I guess this one would be, yeah, I guess that makes sense, you guys. So this one will measure the juice right here. And then this one, I'm assuming, will catch the pulp that comes out on the pulp. Okay, baby is hanging out. So now, let's look at, so I have basically all of my things right here that I need. Let's read the directions. I haven't opened it up yet. Warnings, important safety measures, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Product usage and instructions. Before initial use, remove all packaged materials. If present, carefully read the use manual to understand the equipment operation. Clean all parts and accessories. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that really quick. I'm going to just jump off of camera real quick. And let's just do a quick clean down of everything. There. Alright. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm off camera, I know. Just cleaning up all the cups and everything. So far, you guys, everything was packaged really nicely. So nothing's broken. It doesn't look like anything's broken that I know of anything. So let's see. As I am looking at it in the instructions, it looks like this part so the angle part goes this way, just like that. Let's see. And then this part looks like it goes opposite of what you would think. All right, so I got that in there. It looks like it's locked. It feels like it's locked in, real simple, real easy. Um, I mean, one, two. I'm trying to read it, and this is such small. Hill little feed cutter there, auger, which is 5. Yeah, so that looks like it's pretty much right there, you guys. That's, I mean, honestly, that's what it looks like it should be, and that's it. Now I just gotta plug it in. Let's look at, I'm just getting an extension cord. Just looking for an extension cord, you guys. I thought I had one right here, but I did not have my extension cord right where I thought I had it, which is no bueno. Alright guys, I got an extension cord. I'm coming along. I'm coming. Alright. Extension cord. Now I'm hoping the outlet actually works. Haven't used this outlet in a long time. Okay, that doesn't look like it's working. Alright, so maybe this extension cord is not, this outlet does not work. So let's go over this way. We know that this cord, we know this works. Alright. Okay. So maybe that's not right. Okay guys, maybe this was a little bit harder than I thought it was going to be. It looks pretty straightforward and simple. I mean, nothing is... Oh shit. Alright, so I didn't know that these two parts came apart, so I just washed this one. So if we go ahead and put the auger so let's see, if we keep this right here, I think that's the right way. Huh. That's not working the way I thought it was going to work, you guys. Oh, that's what it was. Okay, so you guys, so the auger goes into this part right here, and you squeeze it right down like that, okay? So the auger goes into the little part of it, then this big part goes over the auger, and then you close it up, lock it into place. See, now that makes more sense to me right there, guys. Although that is not particularly straight. We know it definitely goes this way. So let's get this. This should be... Okay, so you just need to move it around a little bit, and it's nice and tight now. And then these little devices that you can see here, I don't know if you can really see this or not. There's little edges right here, this little edge right here, there's one over here. That needs to go and slide just like that. There you go. So now, there we go. It is working, guys. All right, it is working. So now I'm assuming the juice is going to come out this side, and the pulp is going to come out to this side. So let's start with let's start with a pineapple, you guys, okay? We're going to do a nice fresh pineapple. So we're going to cut this down in little sections. Let's just so that we don't... It is my first time using this machine. So let's just kind of try this right here. Alright, you guys, so I'm just starting off with little pieces. Let's throw this in here like this. Like this. And we've got reverse, off, on. We're going to go to on. Oh my God, you guys, this is amazing. This is awesome, you guys. You guys, it is absolutely just like the commercial said. That is amazing, you guys. Oh my God. So you guys, if you haven't seen this, okay, so here you go. We're gonna throw some more of it in here like this. Okay, so when you turn the top off, it automatically stops. So we're gonna cut this up a little bit more. Okay, you guys, hope you saw that I just cut up some of the pineapple. Voila. Let's see. This way I can see it. Okay, so we got the pineapple. We're going to throw it all right in here like that. Voila. So you can see there's a bunch of pineapple peel on and all. And it turns on. Okay, you guys? It is just mashing it up. Look at this. This is all the pulp that's coming out of it right here. Just dry as junk, this pulp. Okay, that's actually kind of perverted if you think about it. But there you go. It's right there. Again, it's just mashing it all up. Here's the juice coming out of it. You guys, this is awesome. Woo! Look at all that juice, you guys. That's a full glass of pineapple. Oh my God, you guys, this thing is awesome. I love it. It's easy, just turn it off like that. So there we go. You guys, spectacular. Fresh glass of pineapple juice. I don't think I'll ever buy juice out of a can again. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. $79. This thing was a great deal. It's the Susteas I think I bought it off the TikTok shop, but enjoy. Take care. Bye now.